Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Bad Blood on piano easily. Start with the core chords: C major, G major, D major, and E minor. These four chords form the foundation of the entire song. For your left hand, play the root note of each chord in a steady, simple rhythm. Your right hand will focus on the melody, using single notes to keep it easy. We'll build from this simple base to create a recognizable sound. Now, let's refine the left hand. Play the root notes of C major, G major, D major, and E minor in a consistent quarter note rhythm. Focus on a smooth transition between each chord. This steady bass line provides the rhythmic backbone for Bad Blood. Practice this progression slowly, ensuring each note is clear and evenly spaced. For the right hand, we'll simplify the melody to its essential notes. Instead of complex chords, play single notes that outline the main tune. This approach makes it much more accessible for beginners. Practice coordinating your right hand melody with the left hand's chord changes. Aim for a clear, distinct sound from both hands working together. Now, let's bring both hands together. Start very slowly, ensuring your left hand chords and right hand melody align perfectly. Don't rush. Accuracy is key. Practice in short, focused sessions, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes each day. Listening to the original Bad Blood will also help you internalize the song's rhythm and feel, guiding your practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.